this section we will learn about more basic commands in Python. So in last lesson, we learn about variables. So let's uh, see few more commands and try to understand this environment. Okay, so let me add a cell first and add a command ls. So ls, as we all know, that this will do a listing. I mean, it will show a current folder. So let me just run this and okay. So if you can see the output here, we are in sample data folder. So ls basically it will display your current folder in which you are right now. Okay, now let's see like from where this sample underscore data folder is. So here you can see that we have a table of content, code snippet, and files. So if you'll see in table of content, you have sections. In code snippet, we have different codes. I mean, these are the code snippet that you can add to your Python programming. So here you can see the list of code is here. So we will uh, see in later videos, or maybe this is out of our scope right now. But just for an overview, this will add a code snippet to your program. And here is the third tab that has your sample data. So here you can see that folder sample data is here. So let me, and below it is also showing the disk space. I mean, total 79.77 GB available and 28.01 is consumed. So let me show you what is inside sample data folder. Okay, so here you can see we have readme.md, at ans combination, then we have few csv files. These can be used for machine learning trainings. So you can see that mnist test.csv, then mnist train underscore small .csv. So these things are provided by your Google Colab. So you can add any data set and you can use in your program. So this is also, I mean, out of scope for right now. So let me add a section. So this we can test. Okay, so it will create a new section here. So let me just leave it as this and just. So now you can see that we have a new section. Okay, so inside this section you see that we have code and text. So you can add code or you can add text here. So let me add code. Okay, so let's write anything. Let's suppose I is equal to 1. Okay, just run this. So here you have something. Let's suppose I'm writing print I. Okay, so here it is. So now everything what you are writing here, so this come under this section. You can just hide it as well. You can see that one cell is hidden. Just let's add one more code line here. Okay, let's suppose j equal to 3. Okay, and now you have 2 lines. So let's hide it. Now you can see that 2 cells hidden. So basically the purpose to show this section is that you can create your own sections and you can just categorize your code according to your need. Like you saw above that there is no section, we only added code and your text, everything. But now here you can see that you have a structure a section in a structured way, so that you can add as many code here and you can just structure it. You can add one more section from here. Okay, so now we can see that we have new section, that is new section. Okay, I can add one more section here. Let's add it. Okay, right now because my cursor was there, so that's why it is showing that. Let me write. Let's write uh, variable section. Okay, so now you can see here that we have a variable section, and now 5 cells hidden. Now we have 2 sections. So you can just structure your code in sections so that it can be more readable, like you can see this way. So I think we are good here, and from next section, from next lecture, we will just dig into more code, like we will see if condition and looping and all things. I think we are good here. Thank you.